Black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty practices. This ancient remedy has been touted for its numerous health benefits, and some even claim it can promote hair growth. But can it really live up to its reputation? Hair growth can be a real challenge for many of us. We've all been there, dealing with thinning hair, breakage, and slow growth. It's frustrating, to say the least. And with so many products on the market claiming to be the solution to our hair woes, it's hard to know what really works. But despite the abundance of options, many of us are still struggling to achieve the long, luscious locks we desire. One of the main issues is that many hair care products are filled with harsh chemicals that can do more harm than good. They might give us a quick fix, but in the long run, they can lead to further damage and slowed growth. And that's exactly why I'm so excited to dive into the world of black seed oil. This natural oil has been used for centuries to promote hair growth, and I'm curious to see if it can really deliver. Many of us have tried every trick in the book to get our hair to grow faster. We've tried biotin supplements, hair serums, and even hair masks. But what if I told you that the key to growing longer hair might be simpler than we think? What if I told you that a simple oil could be the answer to all our hair problems? Black seed oil is packed with nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids that can help to nourish and protect our hair. And when used consistently, it can lead to longer, stronger, and healthier-looking locks. But what really sets black seed oil apart is its ability to stimulate hair growth by increasing blood flow to the scalp and reducing inflammation. Scientific studies have shown that black seed oil can increase hair growth by up to 70% in just a few months. And with its anti-inflammatory properties, it can even help to reduce dandruff and other scalp issues. But it's not just science. I've spoken to countless people who've used black seed oil to achieve amazing results. They've reported thicker, fuller hair, and even a reduction in grays. So, how can we use black seed oil to grow longer hair? First, it's essential to use high-quality oil that's pure and organic. You can use it as a pre-shampoo treatment, a hair mask, or even as a finishing oil to lock in moisture. For best results, massage it into your scalp regularly to stimulate hair growth and increase blood flow. Consistency is key when it comes to using black seed oil. You can't just use it once and expect miracle results. You need to make it a part of your regular hair care routine. And the best part is that it's so easy to use. Just mix it with a carrier oil, massage it into your scalp, and leave it on for at least an hour before washing it out. In conclusion, black seed oil is a natural, effective, and easy-to-use solution for promoting hair growth. With its rich nutrients and anti-inflammatory properties, it's no wonder why it's been used for centuries to promote healthier, longer hair. If you're struggling with thinning hair or slow growth, I highly recommend giving black seed oil a try.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.